How can you use Apple Pencil in the Keynote app of your iPad? And let's get started. If you are new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials like this one. Okay, so you can get inside your Keynote app, and there are actually more ways how you can utilize the Apple Pencil. The most common one is by adding a drawing, right? So whenever you happen to be on some kind of slide, you can click on the picture icon, which is like the media icon. More things are going to appear, and one of them is the drawing. Like, of course, you can use your finger as well, but this is ideal to utilize the Apple Pencil. Like, you can just draw something based on the theme or the topic of the presentation, whatever. You can change the colors, thickness, and all of the pencils are available as usual, right? So this is the most common method of utilizing the Apple Pencil. But the second one, which people use a lot of times, is when you are finished with the presentation and you actually want to just show it, you of course press the play button. It will start from the slide, and right now you can grab the Apple Pencil and touch the screen, and again you start to draw, right, and annotate on it. But this time this is not gonna stay there permanently, as it's only part of the presentation process, right? So it is only temporary when you are like presenting, showing what's going on. You can use the Apple Pencil to annotate or emphasize some points, but when you go to the actual presentation, it doesn't stay there, right? So it's like a tool to better get your thoughts across or explain stuff, right? So this is only achievable with the Apple Pencil, as touching it with my finger doesn't get the same effect, right? So this is something that a lot of people use as well. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in those next videos as well.